Hey there, egg enthusiasts! Ready to learn how to make the best omelette? Well, you've come to the right place. Get your frying pans ready because we're about to embark on an egg-citing culinary adventure. First things first, crack those eggs like you mean it. Don't be gentle, show those eggs who's boss. And remember, if you get any shell in there, it's just extra crunch, right? Now let's whisk those eggs like there's no tomorrow. Give it a good mix and don't be afraid to get a little wild. We're not making a delicate soufflé here. We're making an omelette that will knock your socks off. Next, heat up your pan. We're talking sizzling hot. You want that omelette to cook up nice and quick, so don't be shy with the heat. And if your smoke alarm goes off, well, that's just the sound of success. Pour your egg mixture into the pan and let it spread out like a glorious golden blanket. Now, here comes the fun part. Add your fillings. Cheese, veggies, bacon, whatever tickles your taste buds. Just remember, the more, the merrier. Once your omelette starts to set around the edges, it's time to flip. And no, we're not talking about doing fancy tricks with the pan. Just grab a spatula and give it a gentle flip. If it falls apart, well, that's just an omelette scramble. Still delicious, right? Let your omelette cook for a little longer until it's nice and golden brown. And then it's time to plate up. Slide that masterpiece onto a plate and admire your culinary prowess. You've just created the best omelette in town. So there you have it, folks, the recipe for the best omelette ever. Now, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow egg enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking!